Hello everyone, this is Gary Thomas. I just want to show you very quickly how to participate in an online class, a synchronous online class using Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So go into Blackboard, and here I'm just in one of my classes. Yours will look very similar. The name of the class is here, and then you'll notice there's a menu item called Class Time, and when you click on that it will take you into Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. And you will see that the course room is there. You'll do this at the time the course is scheduled. You click on this course room, and then you click on Join Course Room, and it takes you into the course room. And it's about that simple. I happen to be the only one in the room right now, but with any luck, when you are there, there will be many people, including my own good self. Down at the bottom here there are several icons that you can choose. One, you can show your status, and so my own self, I'm always happy, and so I've set it to happy, except when I'm confused, and then I could set it to confused. I don't know if a lot of students use those, but you're welcome to if you want. If you have a question and you want to say it, you can share audio here. If you want me to be able to see your smiling face, you can share video. And you see how this works. Hey, there I am, and I could share the video. It's entirely up to you whether you decide to share or not. If you have a question or a comment you want to make and you don't feel like just interrupting me, which is a possibility, you can raise your hand and lower your hand. Over here, this purple Collaborate panel has chat, so you can chat with anyone in the session. You can see who the attendees are, and I'm the only one right now. You can share things if that's been allowed, if you have permission for that, and you can set certain settings, and so you can set up your camera and microphone if you need more details on that. You can also use your phone for audio if for some reason your internet is spotty and not working well. You can set your speaker volume. We don't have automatic closed captions, and so this is irrelevant there. You can close this panel this way. In the upper left hand corner you have another menu. Again, you can use your phone for audio. You can report an issue if something is going wrong and you want Blackboard to know about it. These two menu items give you some online help that might be useful to you if you want to use more features or you're confused about these features. There's a very boring privacy policy that you can read if you want. When the class is over, you can leave the session. So when you click on leave the session, it comes up and says, well, how was the audio and video? And you choose whichever one it was. Mine was pretty good because, well, there wasn't anything there, so maybe I don't need to say that. And then you can submit that, and it makes kind of a loud noise. Fortunately, I am not recording that. If you click on leave by mistake, you can go back. There's an oops, take me back that will return. But if you really are done, you click submit and exit, and for me it made a very loud noise. I don't think this recording is set up to record computer sound, so you may not hear that. And you're done. You can close this window because it doesn't do you any good anymore. While I have your attention, I will show you also that there is a thing here for online office hours. If you click on online office hours, you're taken directly into my office hour room. And of course, I'm only there at times that you have prearranged or the times that I'm scheduled. And so you can always go into the syllabus schedule and find my office hours. You can also find my office hours in faculty information. So those are the ways you can use Blackboard Collaborate Ultra to participate in classes. Thank you very much. Holler if you have any questions.